K.I.S.S your website. The simplicity is one of the fundamental aspects of the website that converts. Visitors need to know what to do as soon as they open your website. Don't overcomplicate things. Get to the point. Always remember concept called K.I.S.S. Keep it straight and simple. Here's a few things to keep in mind. Follow Hicks' Law. Hicks' Law is a common philosophy that is used by a number of people for a variety of reasons, but it is commonly used in the context of web design. The statue, named after British psychologist William Edmund Hicks, notes that the time it takes a person to make a decision is directly proportional to the number of options available to him or her. In other words, as the number of options grows, so does the time it takes to make a decision. You may have heard of psychologists Sheena Anger and Mark Lepper's popular research, in which they discovered that a show table with 24 varieties of jam drew less attention than a table with just 6 varieties of jam. People who saw the larger show were just a quarter as likely to purchase as anyone who saw the smaller display. Boost conversions by limiting decisions. In terms of web design standards, minimizing the number of options available to consumers will help increase conversions. The navigation bar is the first thing that comes to mind when considering how to reduce the number of options on your website. Obviously, you don't want to give the user so many options. Otherwise, the user will lose confidence in them. Give your visitors fewer decisions, but make sure these limited choices are quality choices. And also, in this way, you kind of give them more freedom, which all of us are struggling so much to find. Let us know in the comments what do you think of these tips. Don't forget to follow us for more educational content. Have a good day or an evening. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.